Happy birthday, Rose. Have a terrible birthday.
Today is a super wonderful day. It's my birthday! Yeah! I will go find Rose to tell her about my birthday. Do you remember my birthday, Rose? Silly girl, how could I forget? Remember last year? The amusement park was super fun. Of course, this year will be great too.
Let's see if the cake is ready. Rose, come down and help me bring the cake up.
Mom's calling. I have to go down and get the cake now. Let me go with you. Yes, Mom. I'm coming down now. I'm coming. And I hope Mom's cake is delicious.
Rose, bring Sarah's cake up to the room for me.
Yes.
Please be careful, honey.
Yes, Mom. The cake is so beautiful, and I will be careful.
Thank you. I learned how to make it from the internet.
You are super awesome, Sara, and I love you. Mom, I will bring it to the table. The birthday cake is coming, my dear Sara. Gee, why are there so many toys here? Oh my God, Sarah's birthday cake.
What happened? What's going on?
What happened to Rose? I have to go see.
I told you to be careful. Why did this happen?
I'm sorry, Mom. I stepped right on Sarah's toy. My birthday cake, it spilled.
I didn't mean to.
I tried to be as careful as possible. It's okay, sister, as long as you are okay.
You spilled the cake on Sarah's birthday.
I'm sorry, Mom. I will buy a new one.
That's enough. Go to your room.
Yes, Mom. I am truly sorry. I'm sorry, Sara. It's nothing, sister. Let me clean up this spilled cake.
Come on, it was just an accident.
But what are we gonna do about Sarah's birthday?
Mom, I don't need a cake. Don't scold Rose.
I'm sorry, Sarah. Your party is spilled.
Can Dad buy another cake and we invite Rose?
Let your sister reflect on her actions upstairs.
I need to go upstairs and check how Rose is doing. Rose, can Dad come in?
Yes, come in. Dad, Mom hates me now, right?
No, sweetie. She just regrets the waste her effort.
But she looked so mad. I spilled the party.
Everyone makes mistakes. Apologize later when she calms down.
Yes, I will help clean up and buy Sara a gift. Hi, Mom. I'm home from school.
Yeah, put your bag away and wash up.
Mom, I got an A+ in math.
Yeah, that's good.
Why isn't she happy for me? It's because of the cake. Mom, look at my drawing.
It's beautiful, Sarah.
I will stick it on my room wall.
Good idea. I'll get the tape later.
Mom, do you want to see my test?
Later. I'm busy.
I wrote an essay about our family. Can you read it?
I'm reviewing a report. Just leave it on the table.
What's wrong, Princess? Let me see the test.
Here it is.
Wow, my girl is so smart.
Thank you, Dad. Sara is so happy. Mom, tie it like Princess Elsa.
Sure, my little princess. Sit still.
Mom, can you look at this for me?
Mom is very busy. Let me see it later, okay?
Maybe in this house, only Sara is the princess. Sister Rose, play with me.
I'm tired. Maybe next time.
Are you still sad about my birthday cake?
No, I'm fine.
Mom, the month is almost over.
Yeah, time flies. I have so many projects left.
Next week is Rose's birthday. You remember, right?
Yeah, of course.
Today is my birthday. I am looking forward to birthday wishes from my parents. Good morning, Mom. Have a peaceful morning.
Good morning, Rose.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, my love. Have fun.
Why doesn't anyone care about my birthday? Are you busy today, Mom?
Very busy, honey.
Can you come home a bit early?
Probably not. Month end is crazy at work.
What about you, Dad?
Me too, I'll be late tonight.
What's wrong, sister?
I'm fine.
I'm going to school.
Be careful.
I hope there's a surprise inside.
Mom, I'm home from school.
Okay.
What's for dinner tonight?
The usual. Food is warming on the stove.
Why is there nothing? Today is my birthday.
They must be hiding to scare me.
We don't have any guests?
No, honey, what guests? It's just a normal day. There is no surprise.
Oh, Rose, you're home? How was school?
It was normal.
Are you upset?
No, Dad. I'm going to my room.
Rose, go to sleep early.
Yes. Mom?
What is it? What is it?
Nothing. Good night, then.
They really forgot. Mom is still mad at me. I'm so unlovable. Happy birthday, Rose. Have a terrible birthday.
Do you hear that?
Hear what?
Rose is sad.
Why would she?
It sounds like quiet sad. She looked so sad after school.
Maybe she got teased at school or got a bad grade?
No, she avoided me.
I've been so swamped with projects, I haven't talked to her.
She was acting weird all day. Like she was waiting for something.
Waiting for what?
Oh my God! Today is her birthday!
Oh no! Her eyes this morning. She wanted to remind me. And I brushed her off.
Ever since the cake incident, we've been so cold to her.
I didn't realize. I was just stressed with work.
We accidentally hurt the most sensitive kid in the house. She thinks you hate her.
We have to do something. Right now.
What's going on, Dad?
We're throwing a party for Rose. I bought a small cake on my way home.
Really? Can we hang balloons here?
That's beautiful, sweetie.
Happy birthday, Rose! Everyone, a cake.
I'm sorry, honey. Sorry for ignoring your math test and your essay. I thought you didn't need me anymore. I have never hated you, Rose. I love you so much.
I love you all too.
I didn't get cake on my birthday. Let's cut it together now. Yeah, let's cut it together.
Now, blow the candles, my two princesses.
If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel for the next video. Thank you!